Chandwin Engineering, an environmental engineering company providing advanced biological water treatment solutions for a wide range of industrial activities. We offer our clients comprehensive solutions for environmental projects covering the following services: analysis, planning, design, construction, installation, maintenance, supply of plants and capital equipment for natural water treatment of municipal and industrial effluents. Since our company was founded, we have promoted the best available technologies for water and wastewater treatment for industrial and domestic applications, to provide our clients with the best solutions for their specific needs. Our water treatment and purification solutions range from plants for recycling and reusing wastewater from all origins, to desalination and overall water management. Chandwin Engineering's zero-discharge technology is ideally suited to enable many industries to treat and recycle their process water and recover valuable chemicals and compounds. We offer a portfolio of products of extraordinary performance and efficiency, yet exceptional reliability, designed for pre-treatment, desalination, wastewater reclamation, and drinking water production. Separation of industrial effluent from oil products and heavy metal ions to produce purified process water suitable for industrial use and for discharge into municipal sewer systems. Treatment of heavily contaminated drainage water of municipal solid waste processing complexes from organic impurities, heavy metal ions and other impurities, to produce service water. Treatment of industrial wastewater from organic impurities, to produce deep purified water of technical quality suitable for irrigation and industrial use. Pre-treatment of municipal wastewater prior to discharge into water bodies to produce service water. Water treatment to drinking water quality from surface freshwater sources. Treatment of water from storage tanks of petrochemical, coke and petroleum industries, and at pulp and paper production sites, to produce high-quality industrial water. From the idea to the practical implementation of the project. This means not only supplying the equipment, but also ensuring that the customer has all the facilities to operate the new technology, coordinating subcontractors and other stakeholders, and assuming end-to-end responsibility for the entire program. Engineering design. Our design engineers have extensive experience in designing complete water and oil treatment systems worldwide. We will select a team to work with you to assess your requirements and optimize the design using our industry-leading technology. Project implementation. Our team of experienced builders complement our technology solutions with the ability to deliver projects of all sizes, including standalone modular equipment and complete integrated plants. Our focus on risk management and planning means you can be confident that your project will be delivered on time and within budget. Pre-commissioning and commissioning. Once the installation of your new process system is complete, our team of service engineers will partner with you to ensure efficient, accurate and timely commissioning. Operational support or management. Once your facility is commissioned, our team can provide further training and on-site operational assistance until your staff are confident they have full control of the operation. We can also manage your facility for you, ensuring continuity and consistency from design through to operation. Our forward-looking team consists of dedicated, focused and experienced managers and scientists from around the world. Working with each other, and with like-minded people around the world, their knowledge and experience comes together to make a difference for all stakeholders, employees, investors and clients globally. Our world-class expertise and ever-expanding range of technologies has made Chandwin Engineering a reliable partner for municipal and industrial customers all over the world. Every day, people and companies rely on us as a trusted partner to help them solve their water needs. We will continue to play our role as a benchmark engineering company internationally. We integrate an internal and external culture, policies and innovative strategies that enable us to add value to our society with a sustainable perspective. Our aim is to be recognized for the added value we create through solutions that respect the environment and recover resources from waste. We are constantly striving to apply innovation and use technology to improve our products and services. And we will forge further strategic partnerships with technology partners to share knowledge and expertise that will lead us towards achieving these goals.